or you can go to the office and find out unsay status sa kaso, but never give the merits of the case. One thing that ako gyud ang gwardyahan ang independence of the court, and of course that there should be no corruption inside that court. That's what we are most concerned of.
With that, we'd like to thank once again Justice Ingles and Attorney Lucille. I'd like to commend the Court of Appeal Cebu Station for a job very well done, despite having only 11 years out of the 80. I think the standards you have set is so high, and I'm sure that kita, Marge, we can...
Inspiring you kayo ang the
we are not only inspired, but we will try to help them achieve their mission and vision. So, thank you also, Attorney Marge, for having me as your co-host after so many years of absence.
Dili sad so many years. Before we end our program, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Attorney Fia Ortiz, who's here in the station. Thank you very much for being here. We'd like to thank also Justice Yap for making this episode possible, because she's the one who invited, maybe coerced Justice. To all our viewers who stayed with us tonight, thank you very much for staying with us, and hopefully you can join us next week. Thank you and good evening.